In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause Google Ads campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop a campaign from running without deleting anything, so you can preserve your settings and data while preventing new spend. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Google Ads. In the results, click the official Google Ads site. A quick tip, make sure the URL is ads.google.com and that you see Google's branding so you know you're in the right place and not on a third-party page. If this is something you'll do often, consider bookmarking the sign-in page for faster access next time. On the Google Ads homepage, click Sign In. Enter the email address and password you use for your Google Ads account. If your organization uses a business login, such as a Google Workspace account, use those credentials. Complete any verification prompts to secure your account. For privacy and security, never share your login details and avoid entering them on unfamiliar networks. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. Click the campaigns icon and then select Campaigns. This opens a table listing all of your campaigns along with key columns like status, budget, and results. If you manage multiple campaigns, take a moment to confirm you're working with the correct one by checking its name and any details you recognize. Find the campaign you want to pause and look for a green dot or an enabled status next to its name. That green indicator means the campaign is currently active and can serve ads. Verifying this helps ensure you don't pause the wrong campaign, which can interrupt performance where you don't intend it to. Now open the status menu for that specific campaign and choose Pause. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a drop-down in the status column or within a small menu next to the campaign. After you select Pause, the status icon will change to a gray pause symbol, and you should see the label update to Paused. If it doesn't reflect immediately, give the page a moment or refresh your view. That's all you need to do. Your ads will stop serving and new costs won't accrue, but everything about your campaign, its settings, history, and data remains intact. If you ever need to start it again, you can return to the same place and change the status back to enabled. This straightforward approach keeps your account tidy and your budget under control while preserving the work you've already done.